This crazy Karen hates doorbell cameras. Maybe they should have had this at their door instead of a camera. When the neighbor asked this guy to borrow some sugar on Thanksgiving, he delivered both the intended sugar and some unintended comedy.
Now that was that one. Did you see that? Hold on, I'll bring you sugar here in a second.
I guess they will have to skip the sugar this year. This guy forgot to hold the door for his wife, and I guess it was out of the ordinary.
Oh my god! Did you just run into a door? Oh no! Ed just ran into a fucking glass door! Are you okay?
These girls tried to hide from the doorbell camera and totally failed.
I'll be after you. That's what I do, I'm sorry. I think it's 8 of us do that.
Write in the comments what you think they were hiding from. Watch why this turkey chickened out.
Hey, turkey, get the hell out of here. Oh, it's moving, it's running away.
When this Amazon delivery guy was swatting insects, he accidentally threw one of the packages on the roof. Well, he did deliver the package, but it wasn't that easy for the owners to get a hold of it. Imagine you've just mowed your lawn and this street racer comes through. This family recently purchased a Ring doorbell camera, but somehow a random guy got connected to it.
Yo.
Who is this? Why is somebody...
Hello?
Yeah, hello, who is this?
You live in Edison, right?
Sorry?
Yeah, what's going on?
Why are you answering my doorbell?
Somehow it's getting disconnected to my doorbell.
Where in what town?
In Edison.
Oh, no, I live in South Plainfield. Did you happen to buy your ring at the Southfield Home Depot?
No, I bought mine over there in Edison Home Depot.
Did you return it at all? Did you return it once and then get another one?
Probably.
Yeah, I think that's what happened. All right, no big deal. Sorry for the confusion.
Turns out it was a returned camera and the previous owner got the call. When someone is outside your door, the doorbell camera will send you a notification. So when this thief was breaking into a house, the burglary didn't go as expected.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, Cody.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Joe?
Hello? What are you doing in my house?
The owner quickly called the police and the thief got arrested. A mouse was found in a trash can and the guy threw it out and tried to chase him down, but the mouse was too quick.
Where'd it go, Eddie?
check out this neighbor having a total freak out.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Apparently, it's not just people who steal packages. Watch this FedEx guy throw a brand new flat panel TV over the fence. The TV probably broke, but he did at least deliver it. Here's another delivery driver who doesn't care if the package gets completely destroyed while delivering it. But this time he is confronted.
From my driveway, I've got it on video. Right now. It's loud enough. So why are you stopping me and telling me this, man? I'm telling you right now, dude. This guy's nuts. I'm letting everyone know, alright? Alright. I'll just ask you to make sure your stuff is right in case I gotta send it back. I'll make sure it's right. What is that, man? How long do you work for UPS?
All it took was a game of fetch for this man to accept that their Labrador puppy was growing out of her lapdog face.
Are you okay?
Oh, I hit my head on the
This is why people have dogs. Here's one of the dumbest criminals ever. The thief breaks into a car right in front of its owner.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing? Bubba, is that your car? Someone just got in the car. Can I call you back? Hey!
This guy somehow forgot to put his car in park, and this happened.
Oh, it's... Holy shit!
These guys just had the best night ever.
You got a piece of cutter! Fucking perfect! You got a piece of cutter! Fucking perfect!
This dog doesn't need an owner, he's the owner of himself. And to end this video, we have a heartwarming reunion with a missing family dog. Their dog had been missing for 3 days, but thanks to an elderly couple who found him and brought him back home, they were finally reunited.
We're glad to help.
We're glad to help. He's saying lovely now.
Serious.
God, for 4 days.
You've been gone for 4 days. Oh my
You know,
God.
we've been posting everywhere. You have no idea. My kids and I have been sick. Just sick. Oh my God.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe to Novella. Goodbye.